Welcome to Cooking for Men.
This week, we make Orange Julius's. Oh yeah.
To make an Orange Julius, you will need vanilla, sugar, frozen orange juice, water, milk, ice cubes. Add 1 cup of water to the blender. Add 1/2 cup of milk to the blender. Add 1/2 cup of sugar to the blender. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Add 6 ounces of frozen orange juice. Blend all this together until it's smooth. Thanks for watching Cooking for Men.
Come back next week.
They were tasty. They were good.
Nope. Try it again.
You're gonna have to try that in a second.
Shut your computer.